Hey guys, it's a barefoot angler. Hope you're well and good to see you all again. If you're new to this channel, I post videos on fishing sessions, tutorials, tech and reviews. So make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to tie the Palomar knot, and if you're using braided line, the modified Palomar knot. Let's get into it. Step 1, get the tag end through the eye of the hook and bring it back through the opposite end of the hook eye. And make sure to have enough tag to work with. And then step 2 is to tie an overhand knot. Now this is a great knot if you're using fluorocarbon and monofilament line. And next up we'll tie the modified Palomar knot if you're using braided line. So here we got the overhand knot. So we don't tighten it all the way, keep it all loose. And now this has created a loop at the end, and step 3 is to bring the hook through that end loop like so and pull everything together. And before you cinch it down, put some water or spit to lubricate the line, and that will avoid friction. And then tighten the knot. And you finish it off by cutting the tag in. It's a great knot if you're using fluorocarbon and monofilament line. Let's have a closer look and then tie the modified Palomar knot. Now for this, get the braided line through the eye of the hook and bring it back through the same end of the hook eye, like so. This will create a circle or loop that will sit on top of the hook eye, like so. And that's what's used to bind the braided knot together. And you bring the tag end back through the opposite end of the hook eye, and we pretty much follow the same process as a normal Palomar knot now. So make sure to have enough tag end. So you should have loop end, loop on top of the hook eye, and then tag and main line. Now we tie a overhand knot. And you bring the hook through the loop end as so. And pull everything together slowly again. And put some spit or water to lubricate it. And cinch the knot down. And finish it off by cutting the tag in. So again, a super strong knot if you're using braided line to tie to the hook. Let's have a closer look of the finished knot. Alright guys, so now you know how to tie the Palomar knot and the modified Palomar knot. Give that a go and let me know what you think in the comment section. I look forward to chatting with you guys there. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a mate, and if you haven't, please subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.